guys, welcome to my channel today. This is Mark the Tech Guy with Vlogs Weekly number 41. So this week, there was a lot going on. I went to Blue Mountain and I went to the Toronto Car Show. So going up to Blue Mountain on Saturday, it was pretty treacherous, let me tell you. We went through a snowstorm and it was pretty crazy. You know, they closed down Highway 88 because of the blowing and drifting snow. So we went over to Highway 53, and it was not any better. It was, just as bad. And, I got some footage I'm going to show you guys of us going through, whiteouts, and you could barely see in front of you. It was pretty crazy. But we were dedicated skiers, and we thought, okay, we're gonna keep going, because we already were like an hour and a bit out of Toronto. And we're like, well, we're not gonna turn back now. But yeah, we should have. We probably should have, but we didn't. So check out the clips of us at Blue Mountain. Take a look. So we are 29 kilometers out from Blue Mountain, and we are in whiteout conditions here. It's been a brutal drive. Highway 88 was closed, so we had to take Highway 53 across. So it is really bad up here. You can see the whiteout conditions. So guys, that's it. We did our skiing today. My legs are stiff and sore. We are now heading on our way home, and all the roads are closed here up in Collingwood. So we're just trying to find a road to get back home. It's been a miserable day today. I can't believe it. The snow is blowing all over the place. The wind is all over, and it's crazy. It looks like it's easing up, and then you just drive through a patch where it's just, blowing and drifting snow again. They got a lot of roads closed up here, and yeah, it's just really bad. It's not a good day for skiing, that's for sure. The conditions were very icy. I took a few wipeouts, and see, that car is almost gone. Well, good day to go skiing. Oh, we're in whiteout again. Yeah, the blowing and drifting snow is ridiculous up here. They're warning people to stay off the roads today, but we're crazy. We're going skiing. But yeah, the conditions are not the greatest. It's icy, and it's snowing really bad. And they only got one chairlift open today, so it's pretty bad out here. But it's all right. There's not many people here, so we'll get more runs in today. You guys can see I'm wearing my tie. So I'm here with my buddy Simon. What's up? He's snowboarding. I'm skiing. I haven't made the move yet. I think eventually I'm gonna try and switch to snowboard, but you need a good day for that, and today's not a good day. Today is an icy day, but not everywhere. I'm sure you guys would like to see that. But yeah, look, conditions are not the greatest. You can see it's snowing, windy. So yeah. So there's Simon. Simon's on his snowboard. He's gonna go down. Got better here. It's not as bad. Hey Simon, what's going on? Yes, the sun is out. The conditions have changed. It is now sunny. And there is the village of Blue Mountain. It looks all pretty.
Yeah, here, let me get you going down the hill.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Go for it, man.
Here we go. It's for you guys. They'll wipe out. Welcome back, everybody. Did you guys see the snow and the you know, the slopes were really icy. The conditions were not the greatest, but overall we just had fun. You know, they closed down a lot of the ski lifts because of the wind and the blowing snow, but they did end up opening a little more of the runs in the afternoon, which was nice. But yeah, it was lots of fun. You know, I took a pretty hard wipeout, you know, once, and I didn't catch it on video, but you know, it would have been funny. It would have been funny. So anyways, here's the next clip, and this clip is of the car show here in Toronto. On Sunday I went to the car show, so take a look. This is the Toronto car show. This is the showroom floor. Corvette.
Look at those seats. So your head doesn't get. The blind spot
by select chrome accents, an integral lip spoiler, 18-inch standard wheels. standard heated outside rear view mirrors, heated power outside rear view mirrors, and our beautiful signature waterfall grille. Let's talk about the looks inside now. Take a look at this beautiful interior. Driver-centric interior with French seam-stitched leather seats and all the major controls right at your fingertips. Plus, for an edge of sophistication and the cool factor, I just love the look of the ice blue ambient lighting across the instrument and door panels, especially while driving at night. So we're just covering a few points of what you love to have in a...
And this is the new Gran Turismo 5. The new Gran Turismo. That will be coming out soon. And this is the new Killzone 3 for the PS3. It's pretty cool. This is in 3D. Well, guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was the car show here in Toronto, and there was a lot of great looking cars there. You know, I took the Canon 60D, and let me tell you, I had lots of fun taking those pictures and some of those videos that you guys have seen. But yeah, I'm still playing around with the camera, learning the tricks, the tips and tricks of my new DSLR. So guys, I hope you liked the vlogs this week. This is Mark the Tech Guy saying please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.